Hey guys, in this video I have some PR from MANIOLOGY and I'm super excited about this one because it's Halloween stuff. I kind of come alive when it comes to the Halloween season because I feel like that's when I'm the most creative, and their Halloween things on their website are pretty cool. I can't wait to show you the plates that I got, but I just got this package. I literally opened it up and then threw it all on my table, so I'm going to be unboxing it and showing you what's in there. But I was actually able to pick out what I wanted, and then they also threw in this and this as like free goodies. I'll start off by unboxing the free goodies. I believe this is a sticky base coat and I'm so happy that they added it because I was looking for mine and I couldn't find it. I had a stamping polish and a sticky base coat and I have no clue where they are. Next is an angled precision brush. Next, I'll be showing the things that I picked. I always forget to bring like a box cutter in this room. I'm actually supposed to have one in here, but I have no idea where it is. I'm in the process of like tidying my nail room, so I think everything has just kind of shuffled around. But I had such a hard time picking out what stamping starter kit I wanted because all of the designs were amazing. But this is the one I decided to go with. I hate that you can see my ring light, but this is the stamping plate M056. I'll try and show it a little bit more to where you can see the designs without the glare. In the box you have the stamping guide, which I definitely have to read this because I haven't stamped, I think it's been about a year. I'm not 100% sure, but it's been a while, so I'm gonna have to read this. In the box comes the plate, the stamper, and then the scraper card. And then you have the stamping duo polishes, which it comes with this pretty purple color and then the smudge free top coat. The next thing I got was this nail stamping plate, and I don't know if you've already recognized, but it's a Harry Potter stamping plate. This is the plate M152, and then this is the last plate that I got, and I like this one a lot. I'll be using probably mostly this one today. So this one's basically a haunted house, and it's got like stuff you would see in a haunted house, like a chandelier, grandfather clock, and a whole bunch of other things. You've got the house itself, a whole bunch of other stuff on the side, and this is my favorite part, which is the haunted pictures. And the last thing I have is this polish collection, and this is called Grimm's Nightfall. I can't wait to swatch these for you guys. They're like two-tone and metallic. They're quite pretty. I like how this is packaged. I feel like nothing will break. So these are the colors in that collection. The first one is this gold, and this is Soulless. I will be swatching these so you can see these a bit more up close. This is Glass Slipper, Wolfish, Gretel Brittle, Dearest Aura, Mirror Mirror. If you guys are interested in anything I showed today, I do have a discount code. It is Phyllis10. I'll put it on the screen and in the description. You can also use the code on other stuff on the website as well. So this is how they're looking. The gold one is really light, so I'm gonna do another coat of this. These two kind of have like an aurora effect with only just one coat, but I am gonna do a second coat of these two as well. This one is super pigmented. I like how this one went on, and then the purple was pretty pigmented too. Wolfish is a gorgeous color. I feel like you only need one coat. So this is 2 coats of Solus. It looks a lot better. I'm hoping it stamps a lot better than it swatches, but this color is gorgeous. This is how these are looking with 2 coats. They are looking a lot better. So I'm going to be using one of my old stampers. I just prepped it. I washed it with some dish soap and I let it air dry. I painted these swatch sticks with some gel polish, and then I painted this one with the color Wolfish from the Grimm's Nightfall collection. And now we're going to start stamping. I'm not quite sure what I'm going for here. I'm just going to do a whole bunch of random stuff. I don't necessarily have a theme in mind. It's more so picking up some of the cooler images just to put down. To remove the image off the stamper, you just need like a lint roller or a piece of tape, and then that's how you get rid of that. Don't put any acetone on your stamper because you can cloud it and basically ruin it. To clean off the plate, you go in with 100% acetone and it should come right off. So after like 3 attempts, I was able to pick it up. It always just seems to go seamlessly when you do it off camera. This is how it transferred. The little ghost over here looks a little crazy, but it's okay. The rest of the image transferred pretty nicely. I'm going to pick up something else just to fill down here, and then I'm going to top coat this one. But I really like that Wolfish over this color. This nude is Beantown from Madam Glam, but I like the way it looks together. I'm gonna pick up this image here. It kind of sucks because when I have it flat on the table, it reflects my ring light and it kind of darkens the image, so you can't really see what I'm doing. But I'm gonna try and maybe brighten it when I'm editing so you can see what I'm doing. Hopefully I can actually pick this image up on camera so you guys can see that I can somewhat do this. Stamping, I'm not too confident with. The last time I tried it, I literally was in Sandra's DMs like, I need help. And she was able to help me out, and she was basically saying I have the idea of it, and I never tried it again. But shout out to Sandra, she's literally the stamping queen. So I was able to pick up the image, first try it on camera, which I'm so happy about because I hate when I can't get things on camera and it's like, how am I supposed to put out a video where I'm not showing you guys exactly what I'm doing? But with stamping, one thing that I realized is when you're picking up the image, you kind of have to be a little bit lighter on your hands. I kind of thought you had to like really squeeze down, but the lightest amount of pressure is what makes it pick up fully. So this is how this one is looking. The S in Holy Sheet is kind of missing, and it almost reads as Holy Sweet, but that's because I did a poor job of putting it down. As you can see, the text below is a little bit messed up, but I do like this nail. The colors go so well together. I'm going to top coat this and start on the next nail. I'm going to be using the No Smudge top coat. Next, I'm going to be using the Harry Potter plate. I'm thinking of using different colors. I want to use the Golden Snitch and use that color Soulless because I do want to see how that stamps. I want to do the books and I want to do Hedwig. So I will say it stamps better than it swatches. It looks a lot fainter on camera. Me looking at it though, it's a little bit more obvious than it is on camera. So I was having some trouble with this plate and the polish. I don't think it's the fault of either. I think it was me. I just wasn't working fast enough. Once I started actually being quicker, the images were being transferred a lot better. They still don't look the best, but I'm just gonna, you know, keep what I have. I'm gonna top coat this one and I'll be back to show you everything that I've done today. So these are all the designs I came up with. These two, I thought I should make them matte. I kind of like how they look when they're matte as opposed to when they were shiny. And then these two I kept glossy. This one for sure is my favorite. Like the color combination, it just goes so well. I do like this one too. It's very soft. It's not so Halloween like, but I feel like if you were to do a whole set of it, you'd kind of get a bit more. But I do really like these. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know which nail is your favorite. Are you guys gonna get any of the Halloween Maniology things? But if you guys enjoyed this video, like, comment and subscribe. Also, big thank you to Maniology for sending out this PR package. See you guys in the next video.